Hey guys, what is up? This is Khan and you are watching MB Creative Programmer. In this lecture we'll study and we'll talk about what is Fibonacci series and how to apply it to C++ language. Before to dive into core, we'll understand you that what actually Fibonacci series is. So this, in a normal life, we write a number, simple number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. But in a Fibonacci series, we write first two number 1, 1. The next number is the sum of forward two number. This is a sum of forward two number. But if we want to write, let's suppose we want sum of this, so sum of this will be considered 3. If we want to sum of 2 and 3, the sum of 2 and 3 will be 5, sum of 5 and 8 will be 13, and so on. So how that will be applied to C++? So let's write a function and apply it into code. We'll be having a clear understanding after this. Before we have studied that header file, etc., we have made the structure of main language in which we can apply our code. But here you will write function with int, not with void, because later on will return something and void do not have return type. And if you don't understand our functions, what is functions and how it works, so we uploaded videos, will put link in the description. You have to check that if you are not having understanding. So write int and Fibonacci series. In a Fibonacci series you have to write one argument to which we'll assign a value later, and after that we'll take if the given number is less than or equals to 2, return. As I told you that we'll use return. Do not write it with void. Return 1. Sorry. This, and we'll do this. For that we'll do one here. That's your function. Okay, clear. After that, if the given number is greater than, less than, sorry, or equals to 2, return 1. But if there is greater than 2, then return function argument -1 plus function argument -2 and put it here. This is actually a main formula used for the Fibonacci series. You have to keep this in your mind. You will be having clear understanding that if there is a function and argument is passing to it, what first time will minus one from it, and next time will -2 from them, and combine them, will sum them, then we'll get an answer. But how it works or not, just call our function. How to call a function, we have studied that. Call by value, call by reference. You have to check our video, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe it, because we are uploading different techniques and different topics in our channel, so you will be having clear understanding. Let's write a function with, here is, up is return. Here we'll write cout fib into 1, write here this. We'll just do one thing, we'll copy this, we'll paste it here, we'll paste it, we'll paste it. Okay, this will be considered 2, this will be considered 3, and this will be 4. Sorry, this will be 4. We'll write one more, and we'll write 7. You can write 5 as well. Okay, let's will do a little more. Will be 6, will be 7. So run it. It is working or not? It's been printed. The first two number is 1 1. The second is the sum of first two forward two number, then the forward two number, then the forward two number. This is your Fibonacci series. But we will declare some method, one more interesting method here. We cannot control and paste it, and we cannot do that because it's a little difficult. So we will write one integer to which we'll assign the function, and we will use cout that enter a number, check please, and right later on we'll write for and v equals to 0, v is less than, we'll write 8 numbers. That's up to you. If you're writing something with 34 loop etc, you have to check our channel for the more video if you're not having clear understanding, right? So v plus plus, you have to write body, and after that you will write cn with this, and you will write Fibonacci series, and like this. Sorry, we'll write m here, and later on we'll write Fibonacci series here with the cout, right? And fib, with the fib you will write here, will assign m to it. That has been assigned to it, right? Your number would be like, it will, if you want to print some message etc, that your Fibonacci series number is whatever you're writing. There is some, okay, that's fine for you, that you can write as well here, that the number of it is equals to Fibonacci series. So keep this in mind. If some here is, let's will first run it, it's working or not. Write one, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and this is 21. Just one is being taken and the next is not taken. Just 8 Fibonacci number is that is being taken. What's problem? Let's come here once again. Have to write it, copy it, and see, and paste it also here. Now run it. One Fibonacci series is 1, is 2 Fibonacci series is 1, 3 Fibonacci series is 3, 4 Fibonacci series, sorry, 4 Fibonacci series 4, 5 Fibonacci series is 5, 6 Fibonacci series is 8, 7 Fibonacci series is 13. Let's suppose this is your first, this is your second. These numbers are adding with it, right? These number are will remove this problem as well. Let's not matter, right? Okay, that is fine. We'll just remove it from here. We'll do one thing. We'll remove this sentence from here, and now we'll run it. That it is working or not. 1 Fibonacci series. Once again, this error. Oh, we did not write in del. That is an error. And del. We consider that it's a logical error. That will not appear next time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that is completely fine. You can see that the 1 Fibonacci series 1, 2 Fibonacci series 1, 3 Fibonacci series 2, and 4. So this is, we can say how we can apply a Fibonacci series and how we can write that in for loop. You will not having require print and this thing again. So these were the code. Well, yes, you can see the code. If you are still having a problem, you can check later. So this was the Fibonacci series, how to implement that. So we get our results such as like that. If the video is helpful for you, like it please, and subscribe our channel and be creative programmer, and press the bell icon that you get latest update. We are uploading different videos. Thank you for watching.